Tree of Life. Respected and worshipped across cultures throughout the world, the Tree of Life is a philosophical concept expounded in Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, and Judaism alike. We find the symbol sculpted or painted in relics of ancient civilizations and imagined and reimagined by countless modern artists. In some texts, it is revered as a metaphor for the universe itself, while in others, it signifies wisdom and knowledge as a living memory of all of mankind's history. Given the abundance in which the Tree of Life is found in folkloric, cultural, and historic traditions, it's no surprise to see it depicted in an art form that is heavily inspired by natural motifs, coming from a region known for the flourishing of Buddhism and Hinduism, Madhubani. In Buddhist lore, a peepal tree at Bodh Gaya is said to be the spot where Siddhartha awakened through meditation and found enlightenment, becoming Sakya Muni Buddha. Called Ananda Bodhi or the Bodhi tree, it sheltered him as he sat in meditation for 49 days without food or water, at the end of which he had realized the truths of the universe. The tree is depicted as magnanimous and verdant, a canopy with a throne beneath where Buddha rests or where his feet are symbolically shown. Hinduism teaches us that a peepal tree signifies eternal life and everlasting harmony, regenerating through the yugas and considered a kalpavriksha or a wish-fulfilling tree. Indeed, a peepal tree under which Lord Krishna breathes his last is believed to embody the entire cosmos. This tree is called Ashwata. Ashwa meaning infinity and Tha meaning one that remains. In the Mahabharata, Krishna declares, "Among trees I am the Ashwata. If one worships the Ashwata, he gains the benefit of worshipping all gods at once." Madhubani paintings feature both the Bodhi tree and the Ashwata, although it is the Ashwata that is more frequently depicted. Bountiful and rich, the tree is the focal point of the artistic composition, flanked by birds and animals that are sheltered and sustained by it. Peacocks are a particular favorite with the artists and is seen in almost every painting as an emblem of divine love and companionship. The bird is also said to represent Krishna, and in some renditions, Krishna himself is shown on the branch. The Tree of Life in all cultures has always been an allegory for all of life. Its branches reaching out to hold up the skies, its roots deeply embedded in the soil, connecting heaven and earth, sustaining and nurturing our very existence over generations across centuries.